You can see the backward transition here, and also notice that this clip is slightly longer, not just 8 or 10 seconds. Today, I'm going to show you how to create slightly longer videos for free, including reverse dolly shots like this, even with dialogues.
Today, we are learning about supply and demand. Can anyone tell me what is demand and supply means? So who can define this concept?
Demand is the willingness to buy something or interest in something.
You are right. It is a great answer.
Ready to level up your AI filmmaking? Let's dive in and create some videos. First, I go to ChatGPT to create an image prompt for the scene I want. I briefly describe my idea. In this case, I asked for a prompt of a lady teacher teaching in a classroom. Her body facing the board, but she's looking at the camera and she should be the only person visible in the scene. ChatGPT then gives me a prompt. Take a look. Copy that prompt like this, then go to Gemini and open a new chat. Choose the Create Image option and paste the prompt you copied. I usually make a few small edits to the prompt, like this, and then submit it. Here's the image generated by Gemini. Take a look. I mentioned that she teaches English, so you can see an English lesson on the board. That's pretty accurate, right? Now click here to download the image. But once you download it, you'll notice there's a Gemini logo on it, like this. If we're going to use this image for video generation, we'll need to remove that logo. To do that, just search like this on Google and open any website you find. Most of them are free, though some have daily limits. I usually use this site. Upload the image like this and let the magic happen. It will automatically remove the logo. Here's the result after removing the logo. Then just download it from here. And that's it. Pretty simple, right? Now, let's move on to animating this image. Search for Flow on Google and click on the one from Google Labs. Then click Create with Flow. You'll be asked to sign in with your Google account. Once you do that, you'll be taken to this page. Now click on New Project. Add your image here, click Start. After that, click Upload Image and select your image. Once it's uploaded, it will appear like this. Yeah, I'm using a pro account, but even with a free account, you get 50 credits per day. That means you can create about 5 clips using VO3 Lite or 2 clips using VO3 Fast each day. So yes, you can do this exact process with a free account as well, just with some limits. Now click on the 3 dots on the image and choose Animate or Add to Prompt. The image will then be added here like this. From here, you can choose either image or video. Image will generate another image. But we need a video, so make sure to select video. Set it to 1 generation, otherwise it will use more credits. Then choose the aspect ratio based on your needs. You can also switch the model from here. I'm using the VO Fast model, which costs 20 credits per clip, but the VO Lite model works fine too, and it only costs 10 credits per video. Now enter the prompt. Keep the camera steady. Show only the teacher and the board. And the teacher says a dialogue while teaching English. Let's see how it turns out. Here's the generated video. Let's take a look.
Simple present tense. She teaches English. This is in singular form, so what is plural? Simple present tense. She teaches English. This is in singular form, so what is plural?
That looks perfect, right? Now click on Extend and enter a prompt for the next part. The camera moves backward, students become visible, They're looking at the board, and one boy raises his hand and says a dialogue. I actually tried extending this a few times using the VO Fast model, but it didn't work properly. There were some errors. So I switched to the VO Lite model, and it worked on the very first try.
Simple present tense.
Here's the result.
She teaches English. This is in singular form, so what is plural? So what is the plural form of she teaches English?
The plural is they teach English.
Simple present
Now the video is
tense.
already around 16
She
seconds long,
teaches
and you can
English.
extend it even more if you want. So this is one simple way to create a slightly longer video for free. Finally, you can download the full video from here in HD quality. Now let's crop the video like this and see the result.
Simple present tense. She teaches English. This is in singular form, so what is plural? So what is the plural form of she teaches English?
The plural is they teach English.